A well-known chiropractor on social media, Dr. Bo Hightower, just commented on my video about a massage gun stroke, where I interviewed a college student that suffered a vertebral artery dissection and then a subsequent stroke after she used a massage gun. And it was a really interesting comment because one of his main arguments is that potentially this was just a case of correlation and not causation. So the massage gun was just correlated with the stroke, and it wasn't the cause of the stroke. And I've kind of wondered that too. Like, maybe this stroke happened just coincidentally. And then as humans, we need to blame something. So maybe they just blamed the massage gun because that's the thing that happened. And this vertebral artery section was just kind of natural in nature. One of his comments that kind of piqued my interest was that the vertebral artery is too deep to really get any effect from an outside physical force. And I thought that was interesting, specifically about the massage gun not being able to penetrate deep enough to cause any effect on the vertebral artery. So I have an ultrasound, so I decided to use a massage gun and then put it on one of my coworkers' abdomens and just put the ultrasound on. You can just see how deep the sound waves, or how deep the impulses from the massage gun traveled through the tissues. And I think what you'll see is remarkable, that I could see almost to the bottom of my ultrasound screen, so almost a full 10 centimeters, I was still seeing vibratory forces from the massage gun. So to kind of counter the argument of, if you put this at the base of your head, if I can vibrate 10 centimeters deep into somebody's abdomen, and I can see that with ultrasound visualization, and putting this at the base of my head, my vertebral artery is not 10 centimeters deep there. So the vertebral artery is obviously more superficial. So I would counter to say that maybe there is enough force via this massage gun to cause some type of external force on the vertebral artery, which could potentially have caused the layers of vertebral artery to split, and then you get the blood buildup, and then you develop a clot, and that's usually how strokes happen. I don't know, Doc, just a speculation. I had an ultrasound, so I wanted to try it. So maybe there was enough external force. Maybe it was just a correlation and not a causation. But I appreciate your comment because you are super famous. So I appreciate you watching my video. But I just wanted to counter with this, and then seeing kind of how deep the vibrations went with ultrasound. I thought it was just really interesting. Of course, this is a non-scientific experiment. This is just me with an ultrasound and with one of our techs and a massage gun.